Wall mount mailboxes, how much should you really spend? I've seen people drop $60 on one that rusted in a year, and others grab a $21 that somehow still looks brand new. The price doesn't always tell the real story. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually deliver. Product number 1, KYODOLED Large Steel Mailbox. First up, the KYODOLED Wall Mount Mailbox in black. At $38.50, it sits right in the mid-range, and what caught my eye immediately was its size, 7 inches wide with nearly 5 inches of depth. If you get a lot of packages, thick magazines, or just hate constantly emptying your mailbox, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large capacity means no more cramming letters or worrying about overflow during holiday seasons. It's built from heavy-duty galvanized steel with a rust-proof painted finish. So even if you live somewhere with harsh winters or salty coastal air, it should hold up for years. The sloped roof design lets rain run right off, and the mute bar on the lid means no loud slamming when you close it, something your neighbors will appreciate early in the morning. Plus, it comes with adhesive number stickers and zip ties so you can mount it on a fence or wall without extra trips to the hardware store. Now, some people might complain that it doesn't have a lock, which is true. It's an open design. Here's the thing though, if you live in a safe neighborhood or have a covered porch, security might not be your top concern. And honestly, the lack of a lock keeps the price down while still offering solid weather protection and durability. This is perfect for you if you want maximum storage without going overboard on price, and you don't need high security. Skip this one if you're in an area with mail theft or just prefer locked storage. For under $40, you're getting serious value here. Product number 2, Uniclife Locking Security Mailbox. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if security is your main worry. Meet the Uniclife Locking Wall Mount Mailbox at $33.36. Yes, it's cheaper than the KYODOLED, but it comes with a key lock and a completely different use case. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever had mail stolen or just want peace of mind leaving cash donations, ballots, or sensitive documents, this box solves that problem. It's made from 0.8 mm thick steel, which sounds thin, but in practice, it's tough enough to resist casual tampering. The front has a clear window so you can see inside without unlocking it. Super handy if you're checking daily. And the top slot lets you drop mail in easily, even when it's locked. I also like that it doubles as a donation or suggestion box for offices or schools. Now, some people complained about the smaller interior depth, just 3.35 inches, which means bulky packages won't fit. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for Amazon deliveries. It's built for letters, envelopes, and flat items. If that's your daily mail load, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you prioritize security and don't need to store large parcels. Skip this one if you regularly receive thick catalogs or small boxes. At $33, it's a steal for what it offers. Product number 3, KYODOLED Locking Mailbox. Now, if the Uniclife's design felt a bit utilitarian, this next one from KYODOLED takes a similar approach but with a cleaner look. Priced at $32.08, it's another locking option but with a modern twist. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has the same 0.8 mm steel build and includes 2 keys, but what sets it apart is the transparent front window and sleek matte black finish. You get security without sacrificing style, something that blends well with modern homes. The pre-drilled holes and included screws make installation straightforward, and the size 12.4 tall gives you decent room for daily mail, cards, or even small cash deposits. Now, some buyers mentioned the lock feels a bit flimsy compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for residential use, it's more than adequate. And for under $35, that's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a secure, good-looking mailbox that doesn't scream security device. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty anti-pry protection or frequent access by multiple people. It's a smart balance of form and function. Product number 4, VERSASKY Stay Open Lid Mailbox. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for convenience. The VERSASKY Mailbox at $36.57 stands out with one feature most others don't have: a stay-open lid. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're grabbing mail with groceries in one hand and a kid on your hip, being able to open the lid and have it stay up at 90 degrees is a game changer. No more juggling or dropping letters. It's made from galvanized steel with a weather-resistant coating, so it won't rust even in heavy rain. The red flag notification system is old school but effective. Flip it up when you have outgoing mail and your carrier will see it. Plus, the sloped roof and silent closing mechanism add thoughtful touches you'll notice every day. Now, some people noted that the red flag feels a bit flimsy and might not hold up in strong winds. Here's the thing though, it's replaceable, and honestly most carriers check the box anyway. It's more of a visual cue than a critical feature. This is perfect for you if you value ease of use and traditional mail signals. Skip this one if you live in a high-wind area and want something ultra-rugged. For under $37, it's a well-rounded pick. Product number 5, Architectural Mailboxes Classic. Finally, we have the Architectural Mailboxes City Classic at just $18.57, the most affordable on this list. Don't let the low price fool you. This one's built in the USA and has a timeless look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you only get a few letters a day and want something simple, durable, and stylish, this is it. The galvanized steel with powder-coated finish resists rust, and the fleur-de-lis detail adds a touch of elegance. It's small, only 6.25 inches wide, so it won't overwhelm a compact entryway, and it comes fully assembled with a mounting template, so setup takes minutes. Now, some people were frustrated that mounting hardware isn't included. Here's the thing though, most hardware stores carry universal screws, and it's a minor hassle for such a low price. Plus, the small size means it's not for everyone. This is perfect for you if you have light mail volume and want a classic, no-frills design. Skip this one if you get packages or thick magazines regularly. At under $20, it's hard to beat for basic needs. So which one should you buy? If you need space, go with the KYODOLED large model. Want security? The Uniclife or KYODOLED locking versions both deliver. Love convenience? The VERSASKY with its stay-open lid is a winner. And if you just want something simple and classic, the Architectural Mailboxes option proves you don't need to spend much to get quality. Each of these solves a real problem, just pick the one that matches your daily life.